Welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and today we are solving Indian Economic Service General Economics Paper 1 solutions from 2024. And here this question is a question 1. The exam is nearby. If you are having any questions, you can always ask. So here it's been given production function is homogeneous of degree 1. Following CRS show that the marginal productivity and average productivity function are independent of the absolute amount of the input, but it depends on the input ratio. Okay. So now the homogeneous production function of degree 1 means what? That if this x1 comma x2 is this x1 comma x2. Okay, so this is for same, like here average productivity will be what? Then my average productivity at this will be f x1 comma x2 by x1. Okay, so here we want to show that if the x2 by x1, if these are the like the input ratio, so then here what we show is that, so here f of x1 x2 will be f of x1 r x1, so that is x1 f of 1 r by homogeneity. So then what will be my average productivity? So then my average productivity will look like f of x1 x2 by x1, so that is x1 f 1r by x1, so that is f of 1 comma r. Okay, so average productivity depends on only ratio x2 by x1, not absolute value. Now to check for marginal productivity, that is it for same or not. So here the marginal productivity will be f x1 x2 by del x1. Again using that homogeneity, we will take x1 as t and x2 as rt. Okay, so then we will take f x1 x2 as ft comma rt, so that is t f1 r. Okay, so then differentiating with respect to t we get, so here d dt f of t comma rt is f of 1 comma r plus t del f 1 comma r by del r multiplied by del r del t. So then since r is what? x2 x1 and constant, so mp x1 will be del f e rt by del t, that is function of 1 comma r. So we can tell that average productivity is f1r and marginal productivity both depend only on input ratio, not the absolute input levels.